In this video, I'll show you how to add a job board to your Wix website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a few different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding, and even see how different features work by clicking around the widget. And here is how the widget looks like on the website. So without further ado, let's get started. Now if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. And that's gonna bring you to this website where you have to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, go over the tools section, and right down here you'll see job board. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this video, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are 5 tabs here which are jobs, layout, job card, appearance, and settings. In the jobs tab, you can click on this add job button, then fill all of the relevant information into these columns. Then you can add a cover and a logo by clicking this add button and choose to upload file or from URL. If you'd like to add a skill, just go ahead and click this add skill button. And since this is a store manager position, then we need someone with leadership and team management skill. To add more job into this job board, you can click on this add job button and repeat the same steps as before. Then you can click this 3 dots button if you want to edit, duplicate, hide or delete any job. If you want to change the order of these jobs on the widget, you can click and hold like this and move it to the position that you want. To customize the layout of this widget, you can go to the Layout tab and choose from these options. I'll stick with this list layout, then you can customize the layout in this option. You can also set the width and add a widget title if you need to. After that, you can go to the Job Card tab to choose the elements that you want to display or hide on the job card. Then you can also add an apply button or a learn more button here. If you choose to display this learn more button, you must enable the pop-up which you can set here. Now if you want to change something like colors or fonts, just go ahead to the appearance tab where you can change the color scheme to light or dark, choose the accent color, and change the font. If you want to customize each element of this widget, you can go to these options and change them one by one. Lastly, you can go to the settings tab. Here you can change the language and text of the job board. Once you are ready to add the widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight. Once you've done that, you should end up on the similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on this green Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on this gray select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section, click Add Elements, go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the Elfsight code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-clicking your mouse, then choose Paste, and click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of this widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. Another thing that I want to show you is how to change the font of this widget. because I think the current font doesn't really match my website. So here I have a personalized code that I will share in the video description below so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl C on your keyboard or right click your mouse, then choose copy. From here, go back to Wix, right click the widget and choose edit code. Click enter on your keyboard to add a new line, then paste the code by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right clicking your mouse, then choose paste and click update. As you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have a job board on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.